It's that time again. It's chassis time. Amazing progress on the chassis last week or so. Tranny mount modifications, frame horn modifications, the CasterPRO Beam coming to fruition. I'm really excited. You know, kind of setting up the car for, you know, brake lines and fuel lines, and it's coming together, people. I hope you guys get on board. We're amazingly grateful for the amount of tickets we've sold so far. Don't wait till the last minute. Make sure you get yours purchased today. Link is in the description below. I want to continue to thank our sponsors, Rytech, supplying us with the R-joint and the adjustable shocks. Quality stuff. Wolfsburg West, all the seals, little grommets here and there. We couldn't do it without you guys. Yeah, pretty gracious about it. But let's get into it. Let's show you the details. Stay tuned. So we have been working on the CasterPRO Beam for our PRObuilt chassis. and we finally kind of came up with the conclusion that we're gonna have to weld this differently. First way was gonna be super hard. This way we figure out how to do it. So these are actually going to have to be slid over the beam welded, you know, in you know, all the connections. And then once it's welded, then we have to slide these into place. Obviously it's going to be rotated at that point, and then we'll finish it with the welding all three pieces at the same time. This is tough, but development is always tough. It's never easy. So this is just a short little video on how we're going to assemble it. We'll kind of document it as it gets put together. More later. Well, I hope you liked today's episode. Really loved showcasing it for you this week. Want to make sure that you check out our terms and conditions. You check out our other videos to get information on the build. We'd like to hear from you. Like, what's your favorite part? Comment below with your favorite part. We're excited to read those comments. Once again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Wolfsburg West and Rytech, for the support. Always looking for more sponsors. Inquire. info@airkewld.com. Make sure you get your raffle ticket purchased. We'll go from there. See you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out with us. Peace.